Hey there! Today, I'm diving into the world of user experience design, or UX design. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, understanding UX principles and tools can truly elevate your work. So, let's unlock some UX design secrets together. First up, let's chat about UX principles. The foundation of any great user experience lies in understanding your users. Empathy is key. You need to walk in your user's shoes and see the world through their eyes. This means conducting user research, creating personas, and mapping out user journeys. Next, simplicity is your best friend. Keep your design clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. The best designs are often the simplest ones, reducing cognitive load and making the experience seamless. Consistency is another critical principle. Your design should be cohesive across all platforms and devices. Consistent use of colors, fonts, and iconography helps users feel comfortable and familiar with your interface. Don't forget about feedback. Providing users with immediate feedback on their actions helps them understand if they're on the right track. Visual cues like loading animations or success messages can make a huge difference. Now let's move on to prototyping tools. Prototyping is a crucial part of the UX design process. It allows you to test your ideas quickly and make necessary adjustments before the final development. One popular tool is Sketch. It's great for creating wireframes and high-fidelity prototypes. Sketch is user-friendly and has a vast library of plugins to enhance your design process. Another excellent tool is Figma. Figma is cloud-based, making collaboration with your team a breeze. You can create interactive prototypes and get real-time feedback from your teammates. For more advanced prototyping, check out Adobe XD. It offers powerful design and prototyping capabilities, allowing you to create complex interactions and animations. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products. If you're looking for a free option, try InVision. InVision provides a robust platform for creating interactive prototypes and sharing them with stakeholders. It's perfect for remote teams and client presentations. To wrap things up, understanding and applying key UX principles combined with the right prototyping tools can transform your design process. Always keep your users in mind, strive for simplicity, maintain consistency, and provide feedback. And don't be afraid to iterate and improve your designs using powerful tools like Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, and InVision. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Smart Start tutorials. Until next time, happy designing!